I'm going to teach you how to make this cute flower balloon. First, you're going to take 12-inch balloons. I have a started. I'll just pick out 5. Then I have 5-inch balloons. These are 10 of the yellow 5-inch balloons, 5 of the purple, and 2 of the white. Right here, I've already blown up 5 of the 10 5-inch balloons, and I'm putting them together. I put 3 together right here. Here's another 2 that I put together. And then I take them and I just kind of twist them together. And I did the same with the other 5. And now we're looking at the purple, the 12-inch purple balloons, where I put those 2 together. Now I'm putting the other 3 together. And then we'll put them all together, just kind of twist them together. Now I have the 2 white balloons. You want to make sure that the elastic is a little bit long. And then you tie those 2 together. You'll want to make sure that your 12-inch balloons are the same size, that those 10 5-inch balloons are the same size, so in my case the yellow ones, and then the white ones need to be a little bit smaller. Now I have my twisted 12-inch balloons. I'm going to put my twisted 5-inch balloons on top, and then my other 5-inch balloons that I made a little bit smaller so that it could create a flower look. You turn it over, you pull the stem part out, and you put the other 5 balloons and you twist them all together so that it stays in place, and voila, you made yourself a beautiful flower balloon. You can see some of the pictures that I've taken of different events that we've been to and fun stuff that we've done with them. So give it a try and comment below. I'd love to hear how it worked out for you.